Hello again, traders. This is Jeff. It is Friday, May 5th, 2023. It's time for my weekly recap video. Take a look at the markets first. The spiders having a very nice day today. Qs are having a very nice day as well. Take a look at the diamonds and the IWM. Everything nice and green today. This week was probably the least active week I have had this year, probably going back into last year. I just didn't do really much of anything. So we'll start off with coin. And I got assigned coin over the weekend. I got 100 shares at $55. And if you want to know how to do this, put text on charts. Take a look at this video right up here. So I've got a daily chart up here, and now this was Friday the 28th, and I thought, maybe a little bit of a green candle. We had just dipped underneath the support level of 55. Maybe we could rally coming into this week. But no, this was Monday. We got up as high as 54.38 and then down just over 48 for a low. Wednesday and Thursday, or Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, about ditto. I really didn't want to hold this into earnings. The earnings were Thursday after the bell. But it's had a monster good day today. Let's bring this over and I'll show you the earnings here. So the earnings estimate was a loss of 144, just under 144. They beat the heck out of that. They still lost, but I think between that and Bitcoin having a nice day, that's probably the fuel for the rally in this stock here, which I'm very, very happy about. Now, going forward, I could sell calls against my position, but I think in this case, I'm going to hold. And if coin could get up into the upper part of this base here, in that 65 to 70 area, I think I just dump my shares and look for a new trade. Trading right now just under 58, just under high of the day. I have to say I'm liking this so far. So next up is the good old SOXL, which I've been in for quite a while. I tried to sell, well, let's see. Going into this week, I had an 1150 and a 1250 cash secured put sold. I actually covered the 1150 put for a penny yesterday on this candle here, probably on the rally. And the 1250 we're going to let expire worthless. I'm still a little bit too far away to sell calls, but it might be a good idea if we take a look at the option chain. This is my cost, $18.39, and I've got a boatload of shares. I got too many shares. So here's my 1250. It looks to expire worthless. We're going to close here in just a few minutes. My cost is $18.39. So going out to next week, there's nothing to sell. Go out a couple of weeks, I don't think there's going to be anything to sell. No, there's not. I really need a couple $3 rally here. We go out to the 26th of May. 3 weeks. That's still really not. That's a long time to wait if we'd get a rally. Take a look at my spreadsheet real quick and see where my break even is. Okay, here's my spreadsheet. As you can see, I've got into this trade since I've been in this trade 13 months. And we'll bring this over here. Yeah, so my absolute break even is 1476. So if I wanted to, I could sell 15 strike calls or higher, but I really don't want to do that. Let's just see what the premium is. Well, actually, there's some pretty good premium, but we're trading 1451. So we'll just wait and see, I've held this for a year. If we could get a nice rally in the semis, I would be willing to dump it. I think anything over $18. Time will tell. Hopefully we'll rally some more. It looks like we've got a very nice bottoming tail here. Do we have a higher low here? Maybe. Hopefully we do. If we could get up, and this is the 20 MA here, the blue line. The white line's the 50. If we could get through them, get through 16, maybe we could push on up to these highs that we had earlier in the year. Those highs were, I think, right around the 18 level, a little bit higher. So we'll see. If you enjoyed this content, like the video, maybe subscribe to the channel. I would very much appreciate it. Last but least, I have got idle cash sitting in my account. TD Ameritrade only wants to pay 0.35% on idle cash. So this week I've taken a position in this Schwab money market fund, this symbol here, SWVXX. This is paying around 4.69%, and there's no fees to get in and out of the product at TD Ameritrade. And I think the reason being is because Schwab will be taking over TD Ameritrade later this year. Anyway, I'm pleased with it so far. It's easy to get in and out of. It looks like there's going to be about a business day or a trade day delay once you sell shares in order to get that money back in the account. I was kind of led to believe it was going to be instant, but it looks like it's going to be one trading day. I actually have purchased this 3 times this week. Now I sold a little bit today, and when I sold it, my account balances didn't change at all. So I can update you next week on that. And if you'd like to see how I purchased this at TD Ameritrade, click the link right up here and it'll take you to a video that shows you how to do that. Well, that's all, folks. Market's over. Market's closed. Hope everybody has a great weekend. Check out the videos shown here for more entertainment. Until next time, this is Jeff. Have a great weekend, everybody.